Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. One of my favorite tools in .NET are the .tt files that can have multiple uses. One of the uses is generating files after files and classes after the database related table. So you'll see here the table department, and you see that the context has here a department, and this model1tt that I show you here is generating the class department that have the same properties, ID and name, as in the edumx file. So how we modify these files? The idea is to modify the context, the generated file, and then put in the .dt file. Let me show how. So let's think that we want to log something on the console every time that save changes is called. So we make override save changes, and here we can log. Okay, the problem is that if we run again the dt file, this will be deleted because the CS is auto-generated. So you see it have disappeared. So we must put somewhere on the tt file. You see here it's on model creating. We'll search on model creating, and we put here the override. We save, and now the CS file have been modified. So the point is, when you have a tt file and a generated CS file, do not modify the CS file directly, but modify the tt file. Also, the tt file is also used in T4MVC. In T4MVC, this T4MVC tt file is generating a controller and the view names for each controller and name and action that we have. So let's see. I want the name of this index, and I put this dot action names dot index, and if I go, it has this is index, and it is generated in a home controller generated CS. So what are possible uses of the tt files? There are more than one, and you can maintain assembly version in sync. You can generate help for each view in Razor. You can put property names for edumx files. You can generate history triggers automatically, and you can generate enum from database. I hope that you enjoyed this 5-minute talk about .NET programming tools and .tt files.